Our nervous system won't allow us to relax our vigilance if we're breathing shallow, rapid, or if we're holding our breath. We have to start with the breath. Breathing plays a profound role in our health. Smooth, continuous diaphragmatic breathing through the nose. Breathing interventions are relatively easy to learn. They can be done anytime, and they are really powerful and helpful. Whether we're working with a health condition or anxiety, depression, a smooth, continuous, even diaphragmatic breath signals safety to our nervous system, allows us to take in a deep breath and release it, and to bring optimal health to our body and our system. We meet every day at 8 a.m. Eastern for a free online daily nervous system practice, meditation, breathing, relaxation. During the week of September 18th to 24th, we're doing Breathing Week, a 7-day practice challenge. Each day will feature a different grounding and orienting practice, like holding our own hands, cyclic sighing, looking around the room for cues of safety, and breathing practices, like even breath, 2-to-1 breathing or longer exhales, alternate nostril breathing, or joyful breath will be a part of each day as well. Join us. Details are in the link. You'll find that by the end of the week, you'll have more awareness of your breath and that you're breathing with more ease.